So before we go to division of, everybody take a deep breath and calm down. No dancing, no playing, no singing, no making noise, no unnecessary movement. Because what happens is, if you keep shaking your body, you will not be able to concentrate. Okay? So that's very important. Okay. Who is missing? Yaganya? Okay. So pay attention, okay? Every time when you sit for studies, be it at home, be it in the classroom, take a deep breath. Promise yourself that, okay, next 1 hour, next 30 minutes, next 45 minutes, whatever I'm going to study, I'll pay full attention. Because that's the only way we learn. If we don't pay attention, we don't stay focused, you'll go home and tell daddy and mommy that I did not learn anything, and I'll make you watch video for 5 times. You have to do it. That's the only way. No, because I'm not going to teach the same thing 20 times. 3 to 4 times is what I can teach, and then rest of times you have to keep on watching the video as if I'm teaching you again and again. Okay? Okay. Now, so we have learned multiplication of fractions. Who has smallest of doubt? Let me ask Sami. Sami, if you have to multiply two fractions.
Yeah, I was going to ask you. I still have doubt. I still don't know how to. I still don't understand.
Right. No, that's fine. I mean, see, if you ask me that I don't understand, Yug, there is nothing apart from me and the board which is looking better right now. So you have to keep on looking at me and the board. These are the only two things that are looking very good right now for next 45 minutes. Yeah? Keep looking at me and the board. Everybody. Yep.
It's much more fun for the ones who's joining online because when you do any expressions and stuff like that, so.
See, I raised my hand and then it was throwing balloons. Anyways, yeah. So, yeah, Aditi, you had a question?
While you were saying pay attention to you, I saw the pretty balloons came up. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
So see, I was telling the kids that it's only me and the whiteboard which is looking very nice right now. So pay attention to it. These two things, okay? Next 50 minutes, only I am looking good and the board. Okay? Keep looking at me and the board. Yeah? Okay. Okay. I mean, that was the lighter part of it. But yeah, coming back to some of the kids in the class, they wanted me to stable. Wanted me to do multiplication of fractions. Let's say you have to do multiplication of fractions. There are the two fractions I'm trying to multiply. Okay?
So, then with the mixed number, how do you multiply with the mixed number?
We'll go one by one. Let's keep it simple.
We'll have to work it out, or
No, so pay attention to me. When I will ask you guys, okay, please do it, that is when. So keep looking at me, keep waiting for my instructions. That's how you will be able to make good use of the time. Now if I have this, it is very simple. Whatever I have here on the same floor, I will multiply them. Whatever I have below, I will multiply them also. Yeah? I can just multiply this and say 2 4 are 8, 3 6 are 18. Done. This is one solution. Okay? Now, the second solution would be that, okay, can I break it down? Can I make it smaller? 2 is a very small number, I don't want to break it. But 4 I can break it and write it as 2 into 2. Only as multiplication, okay? Nothing else. You will not say 2 plus 2, okay? You will only say multiplication. Because we are doing multiplication, right? So we only break it like a multiple. Now 3 into 6. 3 I cannot break it. I can write this as 3 into 1, but nothing more. But 6 I can break it. I can write this as 3 into 2. Yeah? Now, this is when the game begins. I want to play. And I will play tic-tac-toe. 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, gone. And there is nothing else that we can do. So what we have here is 2 into 2, here are 3 into 3. There is no further breakdown that we can bring in. So I will just simply multiply. 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9. Earlier we got 8 by 18. It got simplified and became 4 by 9. Both are same value, but we just made it look simpler and easier. Yeah? Okay? Now, everybody here, everybody, you also have to pay attention because you anyways have to watch video 4 times. So if you want to watch it 1 time less and watch only 3 times, then pay attention. Okay? Now, let's say if I have another question, another multiplication. 4 by 8 multiplied by 7 by 21. Whoever knows it can continue doing it in parallel. I will also do it here. What I'm going to do, 4, so this means 4 into 7 divided by 8 into 21. Fine. Can I make them smaller? I think so. 4 I can write as 2 into 2. 7 I can write as 7 into 1 maximum. I cannot break it further. 8 I can write as 4 into 2. 21 I can write as 7 into 3. We'll see if you want to break it further. But we got an opportunity to play. Tic-tac-toe. This 7 and this 7 gone. This 2 and this 2 also gone. What we have now? 2 into 1, 4 into 3. Oh, 4 I can also break it. So I got 2 into 1, 2 by 4 into 3. Can I break 4? See, by looking at this also, you find, right? 2 is here and 4 is here, right? It's a multiple of, it comes in the table of 2. So I can break it down. So 2 I can write as 2 into 1. 4 I can write as 2 into 2. So what I'm trying to say here is, you don't have to break it, you don't have to be perfect while breaking it in the step 1 itself. Even if you don't break it completely and you get a chance, you can break it further. So we did not break it completely, we got 2 and then we saw, okay, 4 comes in the table of 2, that means I can break it. I broke it now. See, I played one more time. Now I got 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 6. This is my answer. Yeah? So far whatever we have done here is nothing but I have 2 fractions to multiply. I write it in the simple form, then I wait for the tables that I know, keep breaking it down. Once I have broken it enough, if I can do tic-tac-toe, I will do tic-tac-toe, and then that gives me the answer. This part is clear, right? No doubt. Now, since Sami brought this point, and I had missed to teach you guys that in the previous class, she was saying, what will happen if I have to deal with mixed numbers? Yeah? Mixed number meaning where you have a whole number and you have a fraction together. This is a mixed number, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nate, here. Tasvik, here. If you have a number like this, and somebody says, okay, but this is a mixed number in a fraction, multiply this by 12 by 5. Yeah, Diti.
Yaganya's not there.
That's okay. Yaganya, oh, she keeps on dropping in between. Yeah, she's here. Okay. So I heard, I think Syanvi would not be joining today. Okay. Okay, Syanvi is sick. So Syanvi has to watch the video offline. Only once. Unlike you guys to watch 3 times. Okay, so if I have a situation like this, we have to multiply 2 fractions. One is a mixed number, one is a normal fraction. Do you guys know how to do it? Anybody who knows how to do it? Yep, yes, Anni.
I know how to do it.
Just do it.
Yes.
Whoever knows, please continue doing it, and whoever doesn't, you'll have to see me do it. Do you know how to do it?
I know how to
No, it's like just the
No.
flies people might. It's so rich. No, I was thinking of the other end and I thought it was the right answer, but there had been before, but I just didn't know if it was right, so I just waited.
I was looking for answer as yes or no. You gave me 2 lines and that is of no help. Yeah, Akshara.
The answer is 19 by 3.
19 by 3. Okay. 19 by 3. Okay. But yeah.
The answer is 6 by 1.
6 by 1. Okay. We'll see. So I'm hearing different answers. Sammy, would you? So you don't know about this one, right? Okay. Okay. Yaganya, how about you, beta?
I'm doing it, sir.
You're doing it. Okay. Aditi, do you know how to do it?
The answer is 12, 30, and a 3.
No, say that again.
It's 12,
Uh-huh.
30, and 3 here.
12 by 3. Okay. So now, okay, let me break down my question to 2 parts. You here, only me and the board. Stop playing.
Could you close the garage to fly?
No, those things I don't entertain, okay? Forget about it. Fly doesn't have any problem with you alone. Ignore that. I'm not going to entertain that. Leave that. Just pat it and forget about it. I'm not going to watch you scratch your feet for next 1 hour. Forget about it. Here, if I have a mixed number like this and I have a fraction like this, I'm not sure if I have told you guys, fraction is my best friend. Meaning, if I have different types of numbers to deal with, I'll convert everything into a fraction first. Let's say if I have to do 4 1 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 6 into 2. I'll try converting everything into a fraction first. Because we talk about fraction multiplication, I'll convert everything into a fraction. Okay? Just pat it and forget about it. I'm not going to close the door. Nothing, you will not going to see anything. And those pamperings don't help with studies. If you keep on pampering yourself, you'll not study. Leave that. Here, now I have this mixed number, I have a fraction, and I have a whole number, a natural number. I have to convert everything into a fraction first. If I have a whole number like 2, I can write this as 2 by 1. This became a fraction. Fraction is our best friend, okay? Remember that. If you are dealing with different types of numbers, convert everything into fraction first. So this whole number I converted into fraction. 3 by 6 is already a fraction. I don't have to worry about it. This is a mixed number. Do you guys know how to convert that mixed number into a fraction? Yep, yes, Alni. I can see you. Yeah, go ahead. What is the value of this one?
It's like for the 5 in the denominator and the 4, the whole number, they're going to be multiplying, so that means it's going to be 20. But the 1 in the numerator, it's going to add it up, and then it's going to be 21. 21 by 5.
Very nice.
The denominator is going to stay the same.
So this is how it is. It is going clockwise. You multiply these two numbers, add this number, and then divide by this number. So multiply these two. 5 4 are 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. So Yuk, are you paying attention? Nate, are you paying attention? I will do a real quick check. So I have this number 3 1 by 6. So as I said, you multiply these two, add this, and then divide by this. So 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19 by 6. This becomes 19 by 6. 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19 by 6. 19 by 6. Okay? Now, let me quickly check if you and Nihit are following me or not. because I don't see you guys paying attention. Same thing for Ishan. 4, 3 by 7. Tell me what will be the equivalent fraction for this one. You also.
Do I
Nate,
write
you
it
also.
down or do I just think?
Write it down. There is no shortcut for maths. You have to do it.
31 by 7.
Okay. Yeah, Sami, can you tell me what is the value for this one in fraction?
What?
Tell me the equivalent of fraction for this one. I'll come to you again here.
12 by 7.
No. So 7 4 are 28 plus 3, 31 by 7. Jaganya, was that the answer for you? Yeah? So any number, okay? Let's practice this quickly, okay? 2 1 by 5. Tell me the equivalent in fraction. Let me hear Sammy first. So you go clockwise, that's what I said. Multiply this by this plus this by this. So it becomes 5 2 are 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Okay?
Okay.
So let's do a few more. I'll come to you. I'll make sure everybody practices. Without practice, we have no way to do things. Yug, this is for you.
8 by 5.
What is that?
Wait, give me a second. It's by 5.
No, you did not listen to me. Yeah, I'll come to you. So I'm just making some of the kids practice, okay? So yeah, Sammy, tell me.
16 by 5.
Exactly. You multiply these two and then add this, divide by 5, okay? Now let me go to Akshara. I'll make sure everybody practices, okay? 4 1 by 3. Akshara, tell me how much it will be.
13 by 3.
Wonderful. Now let me go to Ishan.
Okay.
49 by 8.
49 by 8. Good job. Yeah. So let me go to Nihit. Just one more number, okay? 3 1 by 6. You also keep trying. I'll come to you also.
17.
No. 3 6 are 18. That's why tables are important. 3 6 are 18.
19 by 6.
19 by 6. Okay? Yeah?
I do.
Let's see if Aditi is also with me. 4 1 by 9. Aditi, what will be the value for this one, beta? 4 1 by 9.
Can I work on it and then I'll see?
Yeah. Quick. Yeah, Jaganya. You just type it for me. As a secret, so that nobody else can see it. Sammy, you also type it for me. I don't entertain those. Okay? Okay. Good job. Yep. Shalini, same thing. Yeah. Okay. Aditi, how much is this? Nihit, how much is this one? Yeah, Aditi. Yep, you're right. So this is what it is. Everybody understood, right? If you have a mixed number, how to convert them to a fraction. Now coming back to the fact that remember this one line of mine where I say fractions are my best friend. What do I mean by that is, you stay quiet, stay calm. Body ache, dancing, stretching. No, that is a distraction for you and for everybody else. Okay? So stay quiet, stay calm, stay focused. No shaking head. Okay. Saying yes sir, done, enough. Okay? Because if you are not studying, Neil, fix your glasses. If you are not studying, I'll get a complaint from your parents saying my son is not learning, you are still taking money from me, right? That comes as a complaint to me. And is it my mistake? I'm teaching it again and again and again. I'm giving you guys video also, and you're not watching video, not paying attention in the class. What will you do? Not good. Alright. So, when I said fractions are my best friend, what do I mean is, if I have to deal with a situation where I have different types of numbers, when I have to deal with different types of numbers, fractions are my best friend, meaning I will convert everything into a fraction. So, let's do an easy way. This is fraction already, I don't have to worry. Okay. Before I start doing any calculation, I will convert everything into a fraction first. Okay, fine. 4 1 by 6. I will convert this later. 7. This is an easy one. I will convert this 7 by 1. This is a fraction now. This is a fraction, this is a fraction. This guy is not. Now let's convert this to a fraction. What is the value for this one? 1%. 1%. Sammy, tell me. Tell me.
Sorry, 25 by 6.
25 by 6. Same thing?
Yeah,
25 by 6.
Same thing.
Yep. Now I got a question to solve. So far, I had so many mixed numbers. I was confused. I had mixed feelings about these numbers, right? Yep, I agree. So, now all the mixed things, I took them out of equation. I converted everything into one format, which is a fraction. Because fractions are our best friend. Yep. So everything is in one form. It is like this, okay? If you have to, let's say if you are making, deep breath. Okay? If you are making, I have some kids dancing in the class, okay? Here, classroom. Some kids are dancing, stretching, scratching, oh, my mosquito bite, fly bite, honeybee bite, what not bite, huh? Overbite, underbite. Okay, so yeah, coming back to this, if I have, let's say, to make food, let's say if you are cooking, I know you guys don't, but just telling you, if you have to make some curry, what will you need? You will need some vegetables, some spices, water, those things, right? You will not make curry by adding rice and flour into it, right? You will not. So, likewise here, if you have to deal with this is like making a curry. This is rice, this is flour, and this is vegetable. For making vegetable, you want to make sure that you are only adding vegetables. If I have a way to convert rice into vegetable, I will convert into vegetable. Now I have all vegetables. I am ready to make curry. Yeah? So that is what it is. While doing maths, also same thing. You have to make sure that you are dealing with similar things. You will not add 1 gallon with 2 kilograms. You will convert gallon to kilogram, then you will use it. It's okay, but it's fine. You guys are rushing for it. I'm not in a hurry, okay? I'm a very easygoing teacher. What I mean by that is, I will not rush for answer. I will not rush for solving problem. I'll make sure that we spend enough time to get the concept right and strong enough, okay? That would be our plan. And that is what I'll teach you.
Are
Yeah?
we going to do tables today or no?
No, it's only Saturdays. So whatever table I have asked you guys, Nehit has to do table till 4 by next Saturday. And when I say next Saturday, it has to be solid. 4 5 are 20, 4 8 are 32, like that. Without counting, okay?
And me?
Same thing for you. Table till 6. Yep. So, I'm not in a hurry. Now I got a standard question to solve. Everything that I had, I simplified that. Now the same thing. Sammy, I would want you to solve this one based on how we have done it. Right? So, whatever mixed numbers we have, we converted that to simple numbers. And now we can do convert that to fraction, now we can do it. So I want everybody to do it quickly before we jump onto a division of fractions.
Okay, 1 second, sir.
Everybody. So Salini, so Achha, you already did that, right? You told me 25 by 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I don't know whether that answer is right or not because I've not done it yet. And I want to keep that as a secret for now till everybody does it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yog? Nobody is a friend here. Everybody is here a student or a
This is
teacher.
not my notebook.
Huh?
This is not my notebook.
Doesn't matter. It still has page where you can write. Do it. Whose book is that?
Yes, this is mine.
Hey, give it to him. Is this his book?
Yes, it says you.
Okay. So, okay, now, okay, everybody here. We have 30 more minutes in the class. I want you guys to spend 5 minutes solving it. Okay? I see the answer. Aditi also got the answer. I would not say whether this is correct or not because I have not done it yet. And I would want to keep that as a secret till everybody else finishes it. Okay? You do it. You have to solve this. 3 by 7 multiplied by 25 by 6 multiplied by 7 by 1. Based on whatever we have done so far, there is nothing new. I just want to see if you have been following me so far or not. Nate, do it. And do it as if you are doing it step by step. Don't just write one number and say this is my answer. That doesn't convince me, okay? If you don't do it, I would not know what you have done for doing it and how did you arrive at that number. So any problem that I solve on the board, right? I do it like a step by step, yeah?
I kind of don't understand how to
So tell me, now simple answer question for you. Tell me what we have been doing for last 20 minutes.
like fractions, multiplication.
Right? This is exactly what it is.
Yeah, so basically doing, I kind of don't know how to.
No, so this is not right. So see, I'm not upset. I'm sad because you tell me how many times you would want me to teach before you learn. I'm not teaching it for myself. I'm teaching it for you guys, right? Yeah. When you go home, Daddy will ask, "What did you learn?" There has to be something that you will tell, and something that I have taught 5 times or 6 times. Would you tell the teacher has not taught, or will you tell that I have not been able to follow him? Which is the right answer?
I'm not able to follow.
Why? This doesn't help. Because you are being careless. You are not paying attention. Not acceptable. Okay? I'll be very point blank, I'll be very honest that you are not paying attention. And that will not going to help you. Okay? I will teach, I'll tell one more time. Okay? I'll explain one more time. But I would expect, I will assume that this time you'll pay attention. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, what is the answer, Sami?
25 by 2.
Okay. I would not say whether it's correct or not. Let me hear everybody else. Okay, Salini, what is the answer?
Same as Sammy, I got 25 by 2.
Okay. All right. So, Akshara has already got that. Sami, everybody got that. I saw it.
Yeah.
Aiti also got the same. Yeah, you. What is the answer?
55 by 2.
Okay.
525 by 42.
525 by 22. Okay. Nate, what is your answer?
Wait, I don't. Wait, I don't think that's.
The answer written somewhere here? No.
I don't think that's the answer.
What is the answer?
I don't think that's the answer.
What is the? There is nothing but thinking. No value for thinking, no value for talking. It is only the value for doing. Yeah, I see one more answer. Yep. See, now I'll say something that nobody will like here. I see the girls are very smart here in the classroom.
So I got So my answer is 1. Since I got 1.
See, the girls are acting very smart. You guys have to catch up.
I also got
One. You also got 1. So I see at least one boy competing with the girls. I'll make you guys compete with each other. No, it's a very healthy competition. Okay, you have to compete for making your things better. Yaditi.
I got same answer as Akshara.
No, I saw your answer better. When you were showing the board, I saw 1 by 1. So that's why I was saying Aditi and Salini can be very good friends. They got the same answer. Okay?
I got 3 by 4.
That means we have to. No, stop it. So here, see, everybody here got wrong answer except Tasvik. Everybody got wrong answer. What was your answer?
I saw the.
You're solving it, you're not solving it. Trust me. You are not going the right direction. I'll tell you, this is a very simple problem. If this is not a simple problem, life is going to be very interesting. Yeah? Now, I'll make it look simple to you guys. Yeah. You see, this is my fraction. I have to multiply the fractions, okay?
I tried to tic-tac-toe.
So, tic-tac-toe, see, that means there's something wrong. So, once you see it, then probably that might give you some clue. 3 by 6 into 8 by 4. Let's start from here. 3 by 6, 4 by 8. Okay? This is my question. 3 by 6 divided by 4 by 8. This is what I have to do. So, we know that, okay, this is equal to what? I don't know how to do division, so I know only multiplication. I change the division to multiplication. That is what I will do always. Now when I am doing multiplication, somebody got upset and flipped upside down. So this became 8 by 4. Yep. Now I have 2 fractions to multiply. Okay. I know that when I am multiplying, I just write it as is. I am not doing anything magical here. Yeah. When I have this, here also I am not doing anything magical. 3 I cannot break. I can write probably as 3 into 1. Into 8 I can write as 4 into 2 probably. I will see if that is enough or not. 6 I can write as 3 into 2 again. Into 4 I can write as just 4. Let it be 4. Or I can write this as 2 into 2. Anyway, it's fine. Okay? What will I do? This 3 and this 3 I can do tic-tac-toe.
And that 2 and that 2.
This 2 and this 2 I can do tic-tac-toe.
That.
Now I got 4 by 2 into 2. I can say 2 into 2 is 4. Yeah? 4 1 4. And I was saying that girls are acting very smart. I can see them doing it perfect. What it means is, this is not something that is defining your smartness even. This is the basic one. We will get enough opportunity to show our smartness, okay? I would want that to be done by you guys. You're here. There is nobody teaching on the road. Here. Nehal, same thing. Look at how much time I have spent for doing this problem. How much time did it take? 2 minutes?
2 minutes.
And did I show that I am a very intelligent person? No, right? I was doing like a very small child. I did not do anything. Okay, this is what it is. This one is dancing. It will dance. Now I have a fraction. I know how to multiply a fraction. I just put the numbers here. Now I know how I want to break it down to smaller numbers. And I will play with this. Tic-tac-toe. That's it. Simple. You cannot go wrong with this kind of question. If you are going wrong, that means you are missing something. That means you have to do practice. I would want you guys to do practice. Yug, Nihit, I am very serious about this. And Ishan, I want you guys to do practice. The assignment that I will give you, I would want you guys to watch this video 2 times now. And I'm serious, I'm not making fun. I'm very serious. I will send a message to your parents also saying that please make sure that Yug spends next 1 or 2 hours before doing the assignment. Okay? And I would want you to do the assignment and show it to your parents. And send that assignment to me also after your parents have checked. It is not to make anybody feel good or bad. My only goal is everybody in the class learn something. Okay? Nate, am I clear? Everybody in the class learn something. That is why you guys are coming here on a Saturday or Sunday evening, right? If I hope you're not coming here to spoil or waste your weekend, right? You're coming here with the intention to learn something. So that's what we'll do. So, Vivan, you have joined a few minutes early. Allow me to finish this class with the younger ones. 5 more minutes and then we'll start your class. Okay? So, let's do one more sum. Quickly, very quick. Everybody with me? Hey, Tanu. 6 by 8 divided by 4 by 12. Who all can do it quickly? Just do it, just do it. It cannot take more than 2 minutes. If it's taking more than 2 minutes, that's a concerning point. And in next 1 minute, I will also solve 6 1 by 4 divided by 2 1 by 6. This one I will solve, this one you have to solve. I will just relate it for you guys because as Agnika, we are just wrapping up the class for junior kids. 2 more minutes will be done, 2 or 3 minutes, and then we will start your class. Yeah. You guys will take eternity for solving this. I can clearly sense that. Some of you will do it fast, but we don't have that much time. So let me do one thing. So let's try. Let me just show you guys. Okay, it will be a repeat of what I have told, but you'll have to watch the video. Okay, at least the last 10 minutes of the video for the class, so that you can revise this. Okay, not the entire 1 hour video. Now look at this. I have 6 by 8 divided by 4 by 12. What did I say? I don't know how to do division. I know only multiplication. I changed division to multiplication. Somebody got upset and flipped upside down. Did a somersault. So that became this. So this will be 6 into 12 divided by 8 into 4. Rewind. Don't do that better. Yep.
It's
Now-
a 9 by 4.
What is that better?
9 by 4.
Okay, let's see. So 6 into 12. I'll break it down. 6 I can write as 6 into 3 into 2. And 12 I can write as 4 into 3. Then I have 8. 8 I can write as 4 into 2. And 4 I can write as, let's say 4. For now. I'll break it if needed. Yeah?
6 by 8.
So now we will see. We are doing it now. These two tic-tac-toe gone. This and this two gone. 3 into 3 is 9 divided by 4. Whoever got 9 by 4, that was the right answer. Same thing for this mixed numbers. Same thing here. We have learned how to convert. When I have to deal with mixed numbers, I said fractions are my best friend. Yaditi.
It's already 5 o'clock.
Yeah, so I'm still just taking 1 more minute to solve this problem, show you guys how to do it, so that when I give you guys the assignment, you would know how to go about it, okay? And everybody has to finish the assignment, and I'm calling out the names, Ishan, Yug, and Nihit. You have to watch the video 2 times, and do the assignment, show the assignment to your parents, because if you're not doing it, trust me, you're not making use of the class, you're not learning something. This one I'll convert to a fraction. I have mixed numbers, I don't like mixed numbers. They are not my best friend. My best friends are fractions. Let's convert to fractions. 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. This is a fraction now. This becomes 13 by 6. This is a fraction now. So I have fractions, division. I don't like division, I don't know division. So I'll convert to multiplication. When I do change division to multiplication, somebody gets upset, flips upside down. 6 by 13. Now I have two fractions. Everybody quiet. There is a class going on. And when I have this, then I know how to go about. Ishan, you have done enough wonders so far. Don't do further. Sit down. Advik, sit down. When I have this fraction, Tasvik, don't do that. When I have this fraction, you know how to go about doing it, right? This becomes 25 into 6, divided by 4 into 13, and then break it down and do tic-tac-toe. Okay? You have to watch the video 2 times. Nate, you also. Ishan, you also. There is no excuse. Araf, I'll talk to you, Daddy, right after this class. Be disciplined if you want to be respectful to everybody's time and your time too. Alright. So, this is